Good morning, guys. Okay, today is it. I am getting ready for VidCon. Just woke up. I thought I was gonna wake up a little bit early, but I should probably get ready and get my coffee. Again, I don't know how it's gonna be like today, but we'll find out. Alright, it's coffee time. Alright guys, I'm on my way to VidCon. You know what, I'm slightly nervous because when it comes to these things, I think about chaotic things. Well, hopefully not, because first of all, parking, and then just the crowds and everything. Yeah, but we shall see. I'm hoping for the best. Again, we don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I'm on my way over there. Hey guys, so parking wasn't bad really, which is good. It was pretty much an ease for me to get here. But the only problem is 18 bucks. I mean, I was thinking about parking in one of the residential areas because I've seen a couple of streets that were like vacant. I was like, oh man, you know what? It's okay, I made it. So we shall see how it goes. Alright guys, so my thoughts on the whole experience. I guess it's pretty cool. I can now say that I got to experience VidCon, but I think it would have been different if I went 10 years ago, because it's a whole new generation at this point. And when I went, there's a bunch of kids and yeah, teens and their parents, which is not bad. I guess I just felt a little out of place. And I wish that I got to see creators there, and I did not know that Gabe Irwin was there. He's one of the people that I wanted to see because I didn't see him on the creator list or the general YouTubers yeah, the guest list, I guess. But I'm pretty sure there's like big YouTubers that also go but aren't part of the whole what do you call this? Yeah, isn't part of that list or whatnot, but they're there. Yeah, I just wish I got to see them, but there's not many, or not at all. But before I left, I got to see the Try Guys on stage, but even I was already tired by that time, so I didn't get to stick around. Merchandise was okay. I wish they had white t-shirts with the logo on it, but they had the pink ones, but it happens so that you have to reserve them first. So once you get your ticket, you gotta pre-order. So I didn't get to do that because I didn't know. I should have done more research. And besides, this was free. It was given to me. Sponsor. Just kidding. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and more videos coming soon. I'm thinking of doing more of the skit stuff, so look out for that. All right, thank you guys. Love you, and have a great rest of the weekend.